Hey guys, welcome to the Snack Shack, and today we have Lavenia and we have me, Ariana. And today we're gonna do a mystery food challenge.
So we're gonna try and we're gonna see if it's spicy or sweet.
Yeah, blindfolded.
Yeah. Hey, we got our first food in front of us, so we're gonna try it now to see if it's sour or sweet.
You ready? This is sour.
Yeah, it's sour.
We like sour and sweet because it's not that sour, but it's sweet. It's like mostly sweet. So like
We have our next food. Let's try it. This is spicy. It's good.
yeah, it is spicy.
Yeah, it's spicy. It was good.
This be like hot fries. Is this hot fries?
Yeah.
Yeah. See, look, at least I got that one. Where the water at? Alright guys, we're gonna do our last one. Is it sour or sweet?
Okay.
Ooh, what's this?
Is this spicy? Oh, this is spicy.
This is is this the spicy Doritos? This is
These are jalapenos, some chips.
It's spicy, y'all.
You like these?
So we're gonna take our blindfolds off and see what snacks that we just tried.
Yeah.
Oh shoot.
So we have this.
What is that?
Is this like the one chip challenge? Or as ghost pepper?
It's over with now.
These
They
sour
good though.
candies.
They not bad. See you next time. Like, subscribe.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Bye-bye.
Stay tuned for
that.
more videos.
Yeah.